Hi.
What kind of camera are you using?
It's just the Sony.
What kind of lens? You don't have a big...
Oh, no, this is just a video camera.
Very cool. Are there any blue herons up there?
Cool. So I thought I should bring my camera out here so I can post this on YouTube.
Get some birders on there.
Yeah.
Do you do other YouTube videos?
I sure do.
Do you make a living that way?
I sure do make a living with
serious?
my videos. It's actually, hey, I wasn't gonna plug my channel today, but maybe I should, huh?
Tell me.
Well, my channel, I do how-to videos. Now, I just saw not an egret here. One's coming up right here, and I think that's a great blue heron. That one. That one's a blue heron. That's the first one I've seen. Look at that guy. Whoa. Oh, right there. Okay, those are blue herons right there. Okay, but back to the more important hand. You want to...
Got another YouTuber.
Yeah, you wanted to know what my channel, what I do.
So I can check me out.
Okay, check me out. I do how-to videos to fix things around your house. How to save money around the house.
Cool.
And my channel is called VideoJoe Knows. I'm just an average Joe.
The nose.
K-N-O-W-S. VideoJoe Knows. So if I can do it, you can do it. I'm just an average Joe.
And live on that channel.
Yeah.
I got a lot
Check
to
it out. I've got lots of videos. I got like 16. Wow. What are you doing? Check it out. I got like over 1,600 videos up
Oh
there.
my gosh.
Yeah.
How many followers?
13,000.
How do you do the advertising?
I just do it on YouTube. I also got a Facebook page.
Yeah,
Here
but
comes another guy.
How do you get the advertisers to come on with you? Is there
Oh.
a place you go to
No, I'm
sign up with them?
a YouTube partner. And once you become a YouTube partner, then they put video ads on your videos, and if somebody clicks on that, then I get paid. That's how I get paid.
I want to do this.
That's how it works. And you got to
So
get
what
yourself
kind
a
of
camera.
I've got a tripod already.
This is just a little one. It's a Sony, but I just got a new one. This is not the one. This is my old one, but I've got another one. I'm gonna hook up. It's an HD
Nice.
quality, so it'll give me a little bit
faster.
clearer videos
Right.
once you upload them to YouTube.
What does a camera like that cost? Your new one.
It was almost $400,
Oh, that's not bad.
and then it has a little computer chip, one of those chip memory cards that you put in.
Sure.
That was like $40.
So,
I think you need your own video camera.
you know what? I could go crazy with that.
Yeah,
And
you
make
could
a
do it.
living. I could do that.
And say, what sort of passions do you have?
Everything.
Like what?
Everything. Nothing doesn't interest me.
Okay, anything with your passion, you should make money with it, and you can make videos.
I know.
Everybody on YouTube is looking for something, so whatever you're good at, they can look for it,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You're speechless.
And I don't get why they have these people on there, but they're making money doing it.
I don't know.
And they're like,
Did you hear that bird just there, by the way? Do you know what that was? I'll tell you what it is.
That was a pheasant.
That's right.
I know my birds.
High five. Okay, well, my battery's pretty much up, but just one more thing.
So how do you,
Hey, just one more thing for you. You're good at massage. You can make a whole video series on all kinds of massages, all kinds of stuff. You can do it. Hey, if I can make money at this, you can make money at this. Okay? All right, it's Video Joe. That's all I have for this
check
time.
it out.
But I'll be back
Check it out.
with
no doubt.
more
Check it out.
videos. And I don't know her either, by the way.
Never met the guy. Just us.